Hello everybody, welcome to Sure Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to give you an update on what's going on because I've been very busy here at Sure Shot Archery, but I want to give you an idea on some of the things coming down the pipeline that I should get to sooner than later. Plus updates because today is the 28th of March, and that means Arizona Cup is right around the corner. Arizona Cup is less than a week away. I think I leave for it on the 2nd. So, to start this video off, if you want to save money on shipping, send me an email with what you want to order. Check the website first to make sure I actually have it in stock. Contact me through email. Hey Anthony, I want 2 dozen 120 grain blue points for my my X10 arrows. I can set them aside for you, and then you can pay me at Arizona. You can save on shipping that way, and I can make sure that those products are taken off the website so that they don't get sold to somebody else. It could be more convenient than waiting for them to ship, having to pay the shipping, things like that. With that, I'll be doing the same thing for Gator Cup, but I'll probably be making another video in the meantime, or before that event occurs. What I've been busy doing is we've been very busy at Sure Shot Archery making flip digit boards. All the flip digit boards. We are making them for the World Cup in Florida, so that's pretty cool. We are also making lane markers, and we're making them for the World Cup in Florida as well. So I've been a very busy Anthony trying to complete all these and get them shipped on time. We're still finishing up, but there's still some time. It's gonna work out just fine. On other topics, I have a riser here. May interest some people, may not. I think it's pretty neat. Novery. Rocket science for archery. Company out of Germany. They are full-time rocket scientists who make risers in their spare time. They make ILF and formula risers, and I got the opportunity here to test one out for at least a short period of time, and it'll be fun sharing with you guys my experience with it. It comes with a couple grips that they make themselves as well, and I got this very nice red riser. Think it's gonna be pretty sweet. This one is formula, so I'll be putting my axia limbs in it, and yeah, this should be fun to set up. I got a whole PDF on how to properly set this up. It's got some additional adjustments that are not really common on other risers. Should be a lot of fun. I'm looking forward to it. Definitely a change of pace from the standard Hoyts and stuff, and I haven't done a good riser review test, video or series of videos in a while. So I just wanted to put this out there that I am in possession of a Novery riser, and yeah, I'll be giving it a go. Maybe if everything turns out well, maybe I'll bring it to Gator Cup to shoot. We'll see how well everything shoots. Didn't expect to do all the products for the World Cup, so that did cut into the plans a little bit, but they needed somebody to make them, and I have the capabilities. Alright, and then on other fronts, I have an arrow spline aligner here from BA Legend that I bought from them at the Vegas shoot. There is a difference between spine and spline. I'll put the definitions up right now. My quick definition off the top of my head without looking at the internet is, you may have a 380 spine arrow, but in that spine you can find the spline of that spine, and there's going to still be a stiff and a weak side to it. This tool here is supposed to help facilitate you to find said spline, and then you would align all of your arrows to either the stiff or the weak side, and that should help with the consistency of the arrows coming off of your bow, because if you have them all mishmash mixed up, sometimes, depending on where the spline is, your arrow could be flexing more or less in a particular direction. This is supposed to help kind of smooth all that out and make it more consistent. It's not like it's going to get rid of needing to have a plunger or anything. No, it's just more consistency, and more consistency should lead to better results downrange, because you're going to be more consistent, more accurate. Everything's a little more uniform. So I had to set this up, but I spent a fair penny on that, and I'll let you guys know. There'll be videos of me testing it. I have both practice X10s that I shoot and tournament X10s that I shoot, and I'm sure I can throw on. I got some random, well, not quite random. I got some arrows from Victory I can put on here probably. I got some other Easton aluminum shafts. I don't see why, I can't test any of those. That should be perfectly fine. My big thing is that you could test the X10s, and for me, having spline aligned X10s for 70 meters is probably a little more of an important thing than spline aligning your 2312s or whatever. And the neat thing is that at one point there was some conversations on the field with some top archers, like Justin Newish was indicating that he was looking into things like this. So it was neat that a company came out and actually built something. Supposedly other countries like Turkey and stuff have been using them for a little while. They built their own versions, but this is an American company that builds them here. So I think that's pretty cool. So I bought one to give it a try. All right, so I think that's everything right now, at least for this update. I'm sure I'll have another one out before Gator Cup, especially letting everybody know that you can pre-order for Gator Cup. You can do that now too if you really want. I'll set aside stuff for Gator Cup for people if they're gonna pick it up from me there. But other than that, I've been pretty busy. Would like to get some more of these videos done. Want to get some more the high-speed videos, and I saw people really liked the ones of Brady and Matei. Casey's turned out all right. Matei and Brady went on the stage later, and I had figured out, that's a much better spot down there. Lighting-wise, high-speed cameras are a pain because you need a ton of light, so that wasn't the easiest task. But I think it's turning out pretty good. I'm excited. I'm going to see how that looks for the outdoor season. I don't know, tons of stuff happening all the time, and every time I think I have time to play around with a new idea or make a different video or whatever, something else always comes up. So I'm trying. I'm just gonna keep trying. I'm sure I'll catch up eventually. All right, well, with that, thank you so much for watching. I have to get back to making more flipboards and lane markers. The World Cups, I need to ship those in a few days. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and as always, happy shooting.